The Tecno Spark 9 Pro is one of the latest flagship devices that was launched earlier this month. Pretty cool device comes out with an attempt out of the box, and also it launched a 32 megapixel selfie camera, which is the most interesting feature that would attract buyers. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro will be powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, and it sports a display of 6.6-inch IPS LCD display panel with a resolution of 1080 pixels. So guys, for you to know more details about the device and without wasting much of our time, let's dive on. Hey guys, it's just here. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro was actually announced on 2nd of June 2022 and was globally launched on 8th of June 2022, alongside with its brother the Tecno Spark 90. However, the build quality of this device is made up of plastic, while its front is covered with glass. At the rear, it has a texture and glossy finish that makes it look appealing and attractive. The camera module is located at the rear, alongside with an LED light for brighter shots, while the fingerprint scanner is side mounted. As for the display, the Tecno Spark 9 Pro sports a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and a refresh rate of 60 Hz, which I think is disappointing, but you can still go with it that way. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset with an octa-core processor CPU and Mali 52 MC2 that enable gamers to game in medium or low graphics without having any performance issues. The internal memory storage for this device is 4GB of RAM and 128GB of ROM. So there is enough storage to store files like music, videos, games, whatever you're storing. Take no battery covered on this part. Now let's talk about the most impressive feature of the device, which is the camera. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro comes with the 2 megapixel clear selfie camera for clear selfie shots. Yeah, clear selfie camera. Probably enough, I won't be able to show you how cool the camera looks like, but you can check out short took by EasyBoy with the Tecno Spark 9 Pro. I'm going to drop the link in the description below. Yeah, you can check it out. So at the rear, there are two camera rings that contains the triple camera sensors. The first ring has the 50 megapixel main sensor, and while the second ring has the 2 megapixel depth sensor and AL lens. Those cameras will be able to record videos in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The Tecno Spark 9 Pro will explore the Android 12 out of the box, and also it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. This device will house a 5000 mAh battery and can get it in 4 different colors like Quantum, Aquastorm, Grano Blue, and Poly White. Yeah, purchasing the Tecno Spark 9 Pro will cost you 99,000 naira or $170. Yeah, with a budget device, you can purchase it at that price point. So guys, here comes the end of my video for Tecno Spark 9 Pro. Kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscription button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video or a new content on the channel. Thank you guys and see you on my next video.